Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best snow globe jars is probably one of the most delightful DIY projects you can undertake. These enchanting creations offer a whimsical way to capture memories, create personalized gifts, or add a touch of magic to your home decor. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a complete beginner, the world of snow globe jars is filled with endless possibilities, allowing you to design unique scenes that sparkle and shimmer with every gentle shake. Number 5. HOUSEWARES glass dome with black MDF base. This clear glass dome with a black MDF base offers a slick take on a classic bell jar. It's perfect for showcasing your favorite collectibles in restaurants or cafes. The design is both elegant and functional. Brighten any living space with this cloche dome. The contemporary finish and clean lines are ideal for displaying your favorite items. It is also great for candle holders, treasured houseplants, and antique treasures. Use this clear dome to create lovely decor arrangements on your tabletop. It's perfect for any event centerpiece. Decorate any room with beautiful household items using this glass cloche. All of HOUSEWARES decorative glass domes are hand-blown from high-quality glass. This ensures durability for everyday use. You can easily move it from place to place. This decorative glass dome is suitable for homes, weddings, and parties. Enhance your desserts, florals, or candles with this elegant cloche. The aesthetic is visually pleasing. What we like? This elegant glass dome is perfect for showcasing your favorite collectibles. It's also suitable for various occasions like weddings or parties. If you are looking for a sophisticated display piece to elevate your home decor or event centerpieces, you should consider this. What people say? Good quality. Well made. It was weirdly hard to find a dome that had a base just wide enough to accommodate his stance and flowing cape and tall enough to just clear his height and not have too much extra space above his head. This pretty much fits him exactly. Packaged well and working great as terrarium for small frosted fern. Number 4. Neil Enterprises Clear Photo Snow Globe. This unique snow globe is made of soft, pliable plastic, not glass. It features a clear globe atop a black base, perfect for displaying your favorite photos. The base is made of a thicker plastic, ensuring durability. Overall, it measures approximately 3.75 inches by 2.75 inches by 4 inches. It can hold 2 photos, each sized 2.875 inches by 2 inches. This globe is designed specifically for photos, allowing you to create a personalized keepsake. Inside, white snow and iridescent glitter float around when shaken. They settle at the bottom when placed on a surface, creating a beautiful effect. To add your photos, detach the base, slide them in, and reattach. Shake it up and enjoy. It comes in a gift box, ideal for gifting. It's a great gift for birthdays, Christmas, and more. This decorative item is recommended for ages 14 and up. What we like? This snow globe is designed to hold your cherished photos. It features a clear globe with a black base, perfect for displaying your memories. If you are looking for a personalized and unique gift, especially for birthdays or Christmas, you should consider this. What people say? The plastic is a very good material and it seems to be great quality. Zero leaks, lightweight, and the quality is spectacular. It's refillable should you ever have water evaporate too much. It's got glitter and snow. It holds 2 pictures. It's great. Number 3. Greenbriar DIY Snowglobe, Set of 2. With this set of 2 clear plastic snow globes, you can design your own unique winter scenes. It's a fun and easy DIY project for all ages. These snow globes are made of durable, shatterproof plastic. This means they're safe for kids and will last for years to come. The clear design allows you to fill it with anything you like. From glitter and figurines to water and glycerin, the possibilities are endless. Looking for a personalized gift? This snow globe set is perfect for creating unique and thoughtful presents. It's a great way to show someone you care. Assembling this is easy. Simply add your chosen elements, seal it up, and enjoy your very own custom snow globe. It's a simple and enjoyable process. What we like? This DIY snow globe is made of shatterproof plastic. You can customize it with your own designs. If you have kids or want to create a safe and fun crafting project, you should consider this. What people say. Good product, clear plastic, waterproof seal. Worked great for what I needed them for. I will be buying again. About the size of a softball. Nice thick plastic. Works great, no leaks, good directions. Number 2. DIY Snow Globe Kit with Resin Base, 45mm. This unique kit allows you to create your own snow globe. It's perfect for DIY crafts and a fun project for all ages. The kit includes a glass water globe jar and a sturdy resin base. This provides a beautiful and durable foundation for your creation. You can add figurines, dolls, glitter, and snow to the inside. This allows you to personalize it and make it your own. The snow globe is designed to be easily filled with your chosen elements. It's a great way to create a unique and memorable gift. This kit comes in various sizes, including 45mm, 65mm, and 80mm. You can choose the perfect size for your design. What we like. This DIY kit allows you to create your own snow globe with a resin base. You can add figurines, glitter, and other accessories to make it unique. If you enjoy crafting and want to create a personalized gift, you should consider this. What people say. With the product itself, I saw no flaws, bubbles in the glass. The base has been able to withstand my alcohol baths. Bought for underwater opals. Seal is good. Quality is good. It was exactly the specs and size needed to replace a broken snow globe. Number 1. DIY Clear Glass Snow Globe Kit, 3.9 inch. This is a unique snow globe kit, perfect for DIY crafts. It comes with a clear glass water snow globe and a resin base. You can create your own personalized snow globe with this kit. This snow globe is feasible, allowing you to add your own figurines, dolls, glitter, and snow. It's a great way to create a custom gift or decoration. The possibilities are endless with this design. The globe has a diameter of 100mm, which is about 3.9 inches. The bottom opening is 60mm, or 2.36 inches. It's the perfect size for a beautiful display. Design your own unique water snow globe. This kit allows you to create personalized gifts. Make it special with your own unique design. This DIY kit lets you bring your creative vision to life. It's easy to use and provides a fun activity for all ages. Get ready to make something special. What we like. This large snow globe kit provides a generous space for your creative designs. It comes with a clear glass globe and a resin base, ready for your personal touch. If you like to create a big and impressive snow globe, you should consider this. What people say. So simple to assemble, use this to replace a snow globe that had broken and now looks brand new. The globe is thick and substantial, and the base as well. The globe itself came very well packed, almost too much. The base for the globe seems pretty strong, and the globe itself feels sturdy for being glass. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.